Hi all. Okay, today I want to be talking on, or rather unboxing the Samsung microwave oven. It's the medium range, it's a 32 litre model number. It's down there. Box itself. Alright, so open it. First thing you'll see is the glass. It's always good to make sure it's not broken. So take that out. Alright, that's when it's out of the box. It's got those controls there, and it's got 10 year for the ceramic inside cavity. It's nice to know that. You open it and take all these Alright, so once you remove all the plastics and stuff, when you open it, you basically have this is where the glass goes, obviously, and right in the back is the instructions, guarantee and instructions. Alright, so if you look at the controls, is obviously this two. The one on the bottom of this class is more for the higher wattage, and the other one obviously is to switch it on. But I think the first thing you need to do is do the clock, which if you press this guy here, you now have an option to make it, I think it's, you gotta press the, there are 24 hours, and then you know obviously have to put the time, which in this case 7+8, so you press that again. You obviously now do the minutes, so let's just do it to 8:35, and then you press that and clock is set. Alright, so let's look at the warming up of any stuff. I'm just going to put a bit of water in there. When you close it, immediately first thing you'll notice that you can't really see what is inside, and then of course there's no buttons to switch it on, so you have the one for the second. So if you press that, and it obviously will then start working. There's no way you will know what is happening inside, so it's also quite a loud audible sound. So obviously you're adjusting at the bottom. Well, obviously if it's on 800 watt, the higher the actual heat it will be, and you can go right down to 100, 300, 450, 800. So it's quite nice to have. So you can say, well, I'll put it on 600, and then obviously this is where you can now put it to whatever time you want, and then obviously the microwave will come on. You can decide in between that to rather just switch it. Well, that's the only way to switch it off before you're opening, is using that control at the top. Thank you.